Hey, how are you doing? I'm Jarvis. I thought I'd do a little video about the kits I've bought on eBay. Well, entirely on eBay actually. So I thought I'd just do this little video just to showcase what I bought. Mainly because I'm a little bit bored. I've got the camera, so let's get rolling. So yeah, you know me, I do like my eBay, I do like bargains, and all these kits are pretty old, to be honest with you, and they were pretty cheap as well, so I may need to buy some dickels for a few of these kits, but that's the way it goes, I suppose. So let's start with the first one, shall we? Get the ball rolling. The first one is a Matchbox kit, and you all know how I like Matchbox kits. They're just fun, and they have this wonderful artwork. I mean, look at this thing. This is a Phantom F4. And look at the artwork on that. Isn't that beautiful? That's just amazing. The box is a bit tatty, of course, but it's a vintage kit. It was actually originally bought from BT's for £2.59p. Wow. And you can make it into what's a British version in different colours or different liveries. So that's cool. That's the first kit I got. I can't remember how much I paid for it. It was a couple of months ago. But really pleased about that. I don't have a Phantom, as far as I know anyway. And then the other kit I bought was a Revell. Yes, it's a Spitfire Mark II. I don't have a Spitfire. I built one a long time ago, an old Airfix one, which I have downstairs or somewhere. And this is a 1/48th kit, so it's a little larger. Don't know what details it has, but it has a little bit, so cool. As I don't have a Spitfire in my collection, so it's good to have a Spitfire. Where am I putting these? I don't know what I've looked at them. Oh, okay. Next is a really old kit. This is a, pardon for the sound effects there, that's just my tablet going off. This is a Japanese fighter KI6, hang on, I'll get this right, KI61 Hintony, I presume, by Tamiya, 1/50th scale, so it may not be an original Tamiya, maybe a kit from yonks ago by the look of the box. It is pretty old. Somebody's put this stuff on, and the dickels, we would need new dickels, and it all looks very, very old. Yeah, well, bit of fun. Don't know if we'll, yeah, we'll, yeah, it's just one of those kits that was so cheap, it was just worth buying, because it was so cheap at the end of the day. So, and it's a Japanese plane, and I'm, you know, yeah, okay, and it's 1/50th scale, so not bad. Next, another Matchbox kit. I know you guys love Matchbox kits like me. This one's falling to bits. It's one of my favourite jet fighters or jet aircraft. It's the Corsair 2 A7D. I love these things. It's a 1/72nd scale. It looks cool. The box is absolutely falling apart, and I did get this for literally about £3 or £4. It didn't cost very much, so I'm hoping all the parts are in there. With any luck they are, but they're such a cool aircraft. This and the Crusader, of course. Some of my favourite, I like the Jaguar as well. Anyway, ooh, look at what we got. Apart from another sound effect from both my phone and the tablet at the same time, because I forgot to actually mute them. Silly me. We got a zero, or we got a zero. A zero. We have a zero. Now this one's by Fujimi. Nice bit of artwork there. This is 1/48th scale, I think. I'm pretty sure it is. Looks all good. Let's have a look at the dickels at the bottom there. Dickels look fantastic too. I don't think it's that old really. I'm not sure the age of it. Let's have a quick gander, just out of interest. It's probably on there somewhere, but I can't. If you can see it, just let me know. But it's a zero. I've never owned or built a zero before, so that's always good. Then we go on to a car. This one's by, who's this one by? Fujimi. So this is a a Porsche. I do like a nice Porsche. Not maybe a racing Porsche, but certainly a road-going Porsche. They just look so cool. Looks cool. Looks like it needs new decals. Well, they're not too bad. Not too bad. I think I could put those in the window and deal with those. So that's good. It's always nice to have a Porsche. Pretty old. Didn't cost very much. Nice to have. Next, oh, we've got a big one. This isn't going to fit, but we'll do the best we can. Okay. Here we go. And we have another one of my favourite aircraft. I remember my father and I used to go walking in the Trough of Bowland and over the fells, very large hills, essentially. And these Jags used to do low-level flying through the valleys, and we used to look down, because we were usually on top of the hills and things. We used to look down at the Jags as they flew through the valleys. And one time we both waved at one going past, and the pilot looked up and waved back at us, which was really cool. So this is really nice. It's a 148th Jaguar. Yeah. By Hella, and it's my very first Hella kit. I've never had one before, weirdly. Or did I have a ship one? I don't know, I can't remember now. But that looks, I just like the Jag. So, a Jag, excellent, very pleased. Next! What's on the list? What's in the pile, I should say, really. Right, the pile has this one. This is by Rosso. Oh, right, okay. It's Rosso. It's of a Ferrari. I don't usually go for Ferraris, but this was so cheap. I thought it was well worth it. It wasn't very much at all. It's a 512 TR Ferrari Testa Rossa. TR for Testa Rossa. But cool. Let's have a quick gander inside. I'm thinking of painting it yellow, but we'll see. It may actually end up being red, being a Testa Rossa. Because, you know, it's in the name, isn't it? Nice. I've never seen this manufactured before, but, you know, it's always worth having a look, isn't it? They've got other bits and pieces. Formula 1. And what's on the other side? Let's have a quick look. More. Oh, there's another Ferrari. More and more and more. More and more. So it's good to have a Ferrari. I don't normally go for Ferraris, mainly because, well, they're a little bit cliched in the modelling world. Is that right? It's like a Spitfire, I suppose, being a bit cliched, or even a Zero, for that matters. Okay. Next we have, it's another Zero. This one's by Hasegawa. It's 1/48 scale again. I love the box art on this thing. It's beautiful box art, isn't it? Look at that. And inside, I wonder if I need new decals for this one. I think we'll be alright there. Yeah, they look okay. All the parts are in bags, which is nice. It's just an old kit. But it's not good to have. Yes, another Zero. Well, a second Zero. Next we have one from when I was a kid. In the 70s. I know, a long time ago. What can you do? I'm old. That's the way it goes. Bad luck. Never mind. Okay, and we have an Airfix kit. I think this is the only Airfix kit I've got in a lot, actually. But it's one I built when I was a kid. And there I built this particular one in this particular box. And it's, again, the box art is a thing that drew me to it. It's absolutely gorgeous box art. And a lovely decals, livery. It looks cool, but let's have a look inside. It's all bagged up. I don't know what this is, 1/48th? A 1/72nd, so it's still a big aircraft at 1/72nd. Now, this is the one where we will need some more decals, because these won't, even if you put these in the window for quite a long time in good strong light, I don't think it's going to be very, yeah, Yeah, it's a shame, but I think we'll need more decals for that one, but never mind. That's the way it goes. But I'm quite chuffed to get that one really cheap. I do like the F-14A. Yeah, and this box art is just stunning, isn't it? Great, wonderful, excellent, nice. And then we've got an even older kit. This is from the, probably from, well, it's, who's it made by? I'm looking through the viewfinder here. Oh, Hawk made this, and it's a Thunderjet Republic F-84G. Thunderjet, completely chrome plated. Oh geez, okay, fair enough. So that's from the 60s, pretty damn old. Yeah, I'll need decals for this one as well. As you can see, wow, that is, I mean, it's a bit useless really, because you're going to have to deal with the seams and things, but never mind. Yeah, it's cool. Let's have a look at the decals in here. Oh yeah, and they've gone ultra yellow. There's a 1/48. Is this one? I'm not sure now. Well, it looks like a 1/48 maybe. Doesn't actually say on the box that I can see. Maybe it's a 1/50th. There was quite a few 1/50th ones. Pardon me, getting the box in the way of the camera. Silly me. My presentation skills aren't what they used to be. I need to do more videos. I quite enjoy it, to be honest with you. And last but not least, but there has to be a least, otherwise it wouldn't be last, is this one. It's a Burago, which I presume is how you pronounce it, B-B-U-R-A-G-O. It's a kit of a Bugatti EB110 Daytona 1996 in 1/18th scale in diecast. So it's a diecast kit, and I was surprised to get this. I didn't expect to win because I didn't really put much down, but Burago kits are really cool, and you can buy them built up, of course, or you can get these kits in 1/18th, 1/16th, oh there's loads, and 1/24th as well, but there's tons. You see these on eBay occasionally, sometimes for ludicrous prices, but there we go. And what you get, if we get all the gunk out of the way, decals of course, and you get a pretty sizable car in all painted and stuff. So it's a pretty easy build. You don't have to paint anything particularly, and it's all die cast, and I can't get that back at, oh never mind, I'll do that later on. And there we go. So I was thinking, actually, if we ever get to 2,000 subscribers, God forbid, if I ever actually decide to actually put some work into the channel, we might get there. I might give this away as a prize, you know, a raffle type thing. A raffle? Is that the thing? I can't remember. A giveaway. That's the thing I was thinking of. God, I can't think of anything these days. That's about it, really. That's all the kits I've bought. There are one or two more that are on their way. Cheap kits again, but if I do an update, I might do a winter update around about New Year. I'll have some new kits and hope some new kit builds and things of that sort, and some news, and we'll see how things go. Anyway, I hope you lot are looking after yourselves and your families. It is a strange time. It's such a strange time. So be careful out there, okay? Be careful. You know, there's changes in the world, political changes, there's changes due to COVID, there's changes due to working practices, there's changes because people don't have a job, or they're being worked off their feet because they've got too much on. Just be careful out there and have a good time. Have a good time where you can. It's a serious time at the moment, so just enjoy yourself where you can, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.